In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze multiple rows and/or columns in Google Sheets using freeze panes. Freezing panes in Google Sheets is a handy feature that allows you to keep specific rows or columns visible while you scroll through the rest of your data. This can be particularly useful when you have large spreadsheets and need to keep headers or key information in view. Let's dive right into the steps to achieve this. First things first. Open up your Google Sheet where you want to apply the freezing. This is your starting point, and whether you're working with an existing document or a new setup, having your data in front of you makes things a lot more straightforward. Now, let's say you want to freeze multiple rows. Begin by selecting the row right below the last row you wish to keep frozen. For example, if you want to keep rows 1 to 3 in view, click on row number 4. Now, turn your attention to the top menu bar and click on View. This is where you'll find the options necessary for freezing. Once you click View, hover your cursor over the Freeze menu, which will reveal additional options. From these options, choose Up to Current Row, which will be followed by the row number you've selected. This action secures the rows you've chosen to remain visible as you navigate through your spreadsheet. Similarly, if freezing columns is what you need, the process is quite comparable. First, move your cursor to select the column immediately to the right of the last column you want to keep in view. For instance, if you'd like to keep columns A to C fixed, select column D. Now, again, head to the top menu and click on View. Hover over Freeze, and from the drop-down menu, choose Up to Current Column, which will show the letter of the column you've chosen. This will solidify those columns in view, no matter how far you scroll across. By following these steps for both rows and columns, you'll efficiently utilize the Freeze Panes function in Google Sheets. This feature not only aids in improving productivity, but also enhances your ability to analyze data without losing track of important reference points. Ideally, frozen panes ensure that you always have the necessary headers or data at your disposal, creating a seamless workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully learned to freeze multiple rows and columns in Google Sheets. These steps are simple, yet incredibly effective for keeping you organized while working with extensive data sets. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of Google Sheets.